Hello. It's another episode of my video again. So this is gonna be really exciting today because this drink is gonna be called as a booster. We have this vaccine like second shot or second dose. This is gonna be a booster actually. So combination of the Ciroc vodka and then the Creme de Menthe green, and then you got the Bugnay wines, and this like locally wines, and then you got the honey Calamansi, and then you got the cherry actually, just a garnish, and this from my garden actually. It's really fresh, so I just picked them. I just need the zest, the skin actually. So this is it, really fresh, smells good. And then this is the Sambong leaves I got in my garden also. It's really good if you have cold cup, like put in the hot water, boil it, and that's really good with this. And then it will help you, and it's natural, it's organic, so that's good. So let me get the glass. My glass actually is in the chiller, so in the freezer, not chiller. So here we go, chilled, nice. So shaker and Ciroc vodka, a jigger of this, one jigger, and then a jigger of the Creme de Menthe green, this color, nice, eh? But this not gonna be this gonna be changed because it's like red. So this be a jigger and a half of the Bugnay wines, so this gonna be a jigger and a half this Bugnay wines, and then 20 of the honey Calamansi, let me get the ice. You need about a scoop of the ice. By the way, see the color changed, right? You're thinking about those absinthe, right? It's like you put this and this. This could be like the color of absinthe. And it's a really nice shot. The absinthe actually is really good. It'll kick you out. Just maybe 2 shots of those, maybe 3 shots, you're out of the game. You know how strong is the absinthe, right? So that's gonna be your good night drinks, like a time machine. If you want to really get drunk fast, get the absinthe, shot of absinthe, and or maybe the 151 or the overproof rum. That's gonna be it. Shake it now. So imagine the combination of the menthe, the creme de menthe, and then this and this. So that's gonna be really minty flavor. It's really good if you have cold. It might help you. It's purple now. That's it, perfect. Need this Grater. You need just a little bit actually, just to give a taste, of the. That's it. You can drink it. That's good. For garnish, Here we go. So this is gonna be your booster drinks, not booster shot. I can make you booster shot also beyond shot. Well, before we end up this episode, actually, please don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and my Instagram, also my Facebook page. Please don't forget to share to your friends, your family, and that's gonna be good. It's good drinks for you guys. And have a nice weekend. Don't get drunk. Drive safe. Thank you so much.